I'm Mathieu Delamer from Extrem-Drone. I'm responsible of the development. So I am here today to talk about the company. And so let's start right now, so to don't waste time. So let me introduce the company. We are evolving in the domain of drones. Drones evolving on air, land, and sea. So we provide services in three types of activity. Firstly, in service delivery with cartography, topography, and photogrammetry services. So we can provide 2D and 3D models to companies that needed that. We also provide dynamic event supervision, more related with security and supervision of events. We are also soon, for only a few months, we are working in research and development, where we are developing onboard systems and drones for companies that needed that type of equipment. It's a custom-made equipment that we are working on to fit the best the needs of our clients. We are also doing training to remote controlled flight and to control our drones. And we are training people to use our equipment to help them to use it at the final process of the installation of equipment. So with this equipment we can cover various fields. So as you can see, we are covering defense with terrain equipment. To help the security forces. We are also providing security and monitoring to people that need to supervise the event. We can help service security services to provide them air images and videos. We can also help people with the agriculture by making topographic and cartographic files. We can do like hydrographic maps for the agriculture. There is also the same kind of needs in archaeology, with the 3D models of the zones that they are working on. So to talk a bit about our developing project, we have already achieved some projects for Thales, for example, with a heavy lift drone. That can lift up to 10 kilograms of equipment for 40 minutes. We are also working on different equipments like GIMBAL for drones, also for Thales. And we are also developing a drone that can operate on water to make bathymetry, that is the scan of deeps. It's for a specific usage in topography. To conclude, I hope it can help for you to be interested in the company. If you want more information, here you can take the our contact informations, or we are available right there on the stand where we can talk to us in person. Thank you very much and have a great day.